Hey guys, welcome to another session of Ryan and David. Quick important update, Ryan and I are now roommates. Now we'll be able to work on any project we want at any random hour of the night. So yeah, let me give you a quick tour. This is our main workbench. We'll be able to do most of our big projects on here. We got these nice 3D printers, a MakerBot replicator, and the Chinese knockoff version of that, the FlashForge Creator Pro. Oh shit. This is where we do all the cutting for the videos, although we'd probably spend more time just on Reddit. Electronic storage, camera storage, random parts storage.
That's cat litter.
Sometimes you can't make it to the bathroom and you need cat litter, you just throw it right on. This is our electronics area, so we do soldering, power supply testing. We have our drill press. Over here we got our pegboard with some random organizational scheme that Ryan came up with.
Where there's space, put a random tool.
Here we have a desk for working on secondary projects. Kind of messy right now, we haven't figured out what to do with some of this stuff, but when you want to use it, you can just do that. Don't wince at me. You're not better than me. Over here we've got our safety equipment. Helmets, welding masks, protective eyewear, protective fashion wear. Large tools over here. So Ryan spends a lot of time in this area.
Good one.
And then various other mechanical parts. We have large gauge pipes. I'd like to clarify this is only for transporting water. We do not make cannons on this channel.
Never.
We're also somewhat environmentally conscious. We have a recycling bin here that sports an inspirational quote by Matt Damon from The Departed. We don't need too much, and rents in SF are pretty expensive, so we'll take what we can get, even if it means living in a bedroom with only glass walls. Weird quirks like that are okay for the most part, but there's one thing we took serious issue with, and that was the total lack of bathroom ventilation. No windows, no fan, and if you don't know why that's a problem, allow me to illustrate. La-di-da-di-da, I can't wait to brush my teeth so I can have a clean, healthy smile. Oh, no, why? Which brings us to the theme of today's video, how to make your bathroom not suck by installing a fan that sucks. We have these leftover parts from our underwater Iron Man video. This is gonna be our new bathroom fan, and it is gonna be a powerful beast. On the mechanical side of things, we have this mount. This is gonna bolt onto the dust cover, onto the ceiling, and that's gonna hold it in place while it's running. These are the core components you need to run a fan, but what's life without a little fun and flair? So, I also bought this, an emergency stop button. If you see this, you know, I need to push this button or people are gonna die. Most importantly, I got this, an antiquated rotating beacon, like the kind you see in movies that have nuclear facilities or underground laboratories or something really cool.
Flush the bombers, get the subs in launch mode. We are at DEFCON 1. DEFCON 1?
All the stars are kosher. All the stars are kosher. The first thing we need to do is pop this grate off because it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Huh, look at that. It's completely closed off. That explains why we don't get any airflow. Clearly the management doesn't want any of the smell getting out of here.
Or maybe they're trying to keep something from getting in.
We gotta hurry. Yeah, no, worst thing that happens is a spinning fan falls on your head while you're in the bathroom. You know, come on, let's keep wrong. Yeah, this is so stupid. Alright, so everything is put together. I think it's been wired correctly. Let's just do it. Let's just turn this thing on. Walk through this scenario with me. You've just dropped a massive steamer in the pot there, and you're like, wow, I've committed a capital crime. What do I do about it? You rush over here and you slam it. Okay, alright, well, you know, that works. This fell off, but let's go take a look at the beacon, see if that works. Oh no, I just dropped a real plopper. Gucci? Oh, beautiful. Okay, now we can finally test the effectiveness of our brand new fan.
Oh, thank God. I really need to drop some bombs in this Pearly Harbor.
What we're actually gonna do is a humidity test. So in the past when we shower, it takes about 30 minutes for our mirror to defog afterwards. Oh, hey. Now that we've got this installed, it should take a lot less time. So let's do it. Do you wanna shower or should I?
I'm gonna shower.
You shower? All right, cool, give me that guy. Enjoy your shower. Damn it. Wow, you got dressed fast. Good on you. All right, that's a steamy mirror. Ryan, why don't you do us the honor here? Ready? Activate. 3, 2, 1. Our neighbors are gonna hate us. We're gonna set up this time lapse and point it at the mirror. We also have a clock here, so we'll be able to see exactly how long it takes. So there you go. It looks like it took right around 10 minutes or so to fully air this place out, which is decent, better than 30 minutes, but probably not much better than you can get with a commercially bought fan. I honestly thought this powerful beast would be more effective, but what the? Oh, God. What are you doing with your life? And there you have it. Here at R&D, we're all about making marginal improvements to our lives, one whimsical project at a time. We have some really exciting builds coming up, so if you want to see them as soon as we post, be sure to punch that emergency subscribe button. Ryan's up in the next video with something really cool. I don't want to spoil any of it, so be sure to stay tuned. We also had a giveaway from our last video of this funny little character here. So if you want to see who won that, check out the video description below. Stay sharp out there, and we'll see you soon.